Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to watch movies on your Meta Quest 3. So at first, just open your navigation bar pressing the Meta button on your controller. And as your navigation bar pops up right here, just go in the library and click it. And just open any of the app you can watch a video on it. For now, I'm using this YouTube VR. And as YouTube loads, all you have to do is either just click it in the movie option or go in the search bar and search any of the movie you would like to watch. So guys, that's how you watch a movie on your Meta Quest 3. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.
स्वीट बन जो बना दे पेट को उसके ओनर की तरह। पीचन, देखो तुम्हारे दो